All right, looking back at our assignment, let's go to question 2A here. We need to make this part right here or object. And let's first start by making a rectangle here that's 2.5 by 1.5 inches. And then we're going to extrude it 2.5 inches. Okay, so come over to Autodesk. Let's go ahead and click over here, click New. Want a standard.ipt. Hit Create. Okay, start 2D sketch. Select a plane. All right, let's grab our rectangle tool. We want to make this go out 2.5 inches. Let's use the wheel of your mouse here to zoom in. Okay, and then hold down the wheel to kind of move it around. Let's see here. So we got about 2.5. Something like that. Whoops. There we go. So let's dimension it. Hit escape. That was 2.5. Enter. And that was 1.5. Enter. Let's go ahead and finish our sketch. Okay. Use your wheel of your mouse here to zoom in or out. Now you want to extrude this 2.5 inches, so extrude. Okay, we want 2.5. Make sure that one is selected and hit OK. And then we're good. All right, for now, let's come back to our part here. Now we want to make this little piece here that sticks out. Notice it's 1 inch this way, it's 0.5, okay, in height and 1.5 in width here. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's first just make a square though, or a rectangle on our surface. So let's hit that surface, hit start 2D sketch. Okay, grab our rectangle tool and just kind of find the line here and drag it out. Looks something like that. All right. All right, now come to it. Select our dimension button. Okay, we want that 0.5 from that side, 0.5, hit enter. And now we want that, okay, 0.5 from that side, okay, and it's 0.5 in height, 0.5, okay, and now it's fully constrained. We can finish our sketch. Now we want to extrude this part right here 1 inch, so we'll go to extrude. Okay, click on the face, not 2.5 inches, but 1 inch. Hit enter, and there we go. Okay. All right, now last thing we need to make is this little notch up on the top here. Okay, this little 3D cubic shaped piece right here. So notice it's 1.5 inches that way, zero 0.5 inches that way. All right, so if it's 2.5 inches across, all right, we know it's 1 inch from both edges. All right, so let's go back to Inventor here. Click on this face. Okay, go ahead and start 2D sketch. Now I'm going to flip it around here. Okay, I'm going to go to my rectangle tool and just kind of drag out a rough shape, what I think it might look like. Okay, click on that. All right, so once again we want, let's go to our dimension. We want this 1 inch from the side here. Okay, 1 inch from this side. All right, and we want this one, very important, to come 1 inch from that side. Okay, and we're good. Don't hit that. Don't change that or it'll over constrain it. So we're done. Let's finish sketch. And we want this to pop up, come out, extrude it 1 inch. So we're going to hit extrude. Okay, select that face and hit OK. Okay, and there you have it. Our finished piece. Let's give it a nice color here. Let's just give it a nice, we gave the other one orange. So why don't we give this one something different here that's going to stand out so they don't look alike. Just give it a smooth red here. Or let's go green. Okay, go ahead and save your work. Make sure you save your work before we dimension here, and we'll start on the next part. Alright, so let's go ahead and create our drawing. I'm going to come up here, okay, new, we want English selected, ANSI drawing, hit create. Okay, one thing we need to do is click on sheet 1 here, right click on it, and this is important, so go to edit sheet, and we're going to change size C to size A. Okay, alright, and hit OK, and make sure your ANSI here says large. Alright, so first thing we need to do then now is come over and select base. Alright, and then that's too big, so we're going to make it a half here. Make it a half. Alright, and if you want color, hit that. Then we're going to start off with our front view. Hit OK. Okay, and then we're going to, our top view, our isometric view, and our right side view. Right click, create. I'm going to move them around a little bit here. Okay. Alright. So let's go ahead and start dimensioning here. Okay, so we need to add the following dimensions on our assignment here. Alright, so let's come back to Autodesk. What you're going to want to do is click annotate and then dimension. Click there and there. Hit OK. And then we're going to click here and here for that dimension for 2. Hit OK. Then we're going to click the green dot here and then this green dot. And then we're going to get 2.5. Hit OK. Now let's, okay, click on that green dot and that green dot to give us that dimension. And then that green dot and that green dot to give us that dimension. Hit OK. Now let's do this side. Okay, so that green dot to this edge is 1.5. Okay, and then from that green dot to that green dot, 2.5. And our overall length here is 3.5. Okay. And now let's do this side, our right side view. Start small, okay, and we're going to work big. And then our last dimension, right there. Okay. All right. And then when you're done, you can add some text. Okay. If you want. Okay. And you're good. Thanks for watching.